My boy Stephen Dent sent this to me. I've been seeing it around quite a bit, so it's not a secret. But I got a nice tip here for you. It's radio.com or whatever. You basically, these down here, right? You can pick from the 1900s all the way up to now, to actually to the future, 2070. And you can have the country of your choice or whatever. You can pick any country in the world and pick a time. I commonly like to go between the 60s and the 70s and say I'll pick here, and that's Brazil. And I'll press play. And I'll pick. Let's pick. Pick Madagascar. See what happened in the 1970s in Madagascar. Let's go to Australia. Let's go to South Africa.
Most people I know.
Zambia. Let's go to Zambia. I mean, you can pick from slow music, fast music, weird music. They have a tier where you can pay for, like, I think, well, it's like $5 a month. And you can pay for it for a whole year. You get 1 month free for $49.99. This is pretty dope. I mean, I listen to this. Oh, and they also have a free tier also. But I listen to this, and man, they be playing some gems on here. So this right here is something that y'all all should have. That's radio.com. There's RADIOOOO, 5 O's. All right, peace.